Hello people and welcome back to Claude on Dashcam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of road rage situations, close calls, crashes and many more. Make sure to grab your favorite snack, sit tight and enjoy in today's episode. Without any further delay, let's dive straight into it. Camer caught a crazy road rage situation happen to him. An angry Karen cut in front of him and brake checked him. And if you think that's the worst part, you're mistaken. Check out what happened next. In this situation, the camera was being followed way too close. At one point, the crazy driver passed him and decided to brake check him at the next traffic lights. Some crazy scenes happened from there on.
One game called by Angel Hernandez? No, but it's still there, and we need to fix that as well. But talk about people getting pissed off about things. Nicholson.
Continue to hypothesize some of these potential trade-offs for Juan Soto. I'll say this. This is where it starts for me. If I'm trading Juan Soto,
Camer caught a road rage situation here as two drivers tried to push each other out of their lanes for some reason. Driver got cut off by a semi-truck driver at the roundabout, and moves like this one can have bad consequences on everyone.
Don't let your emotions become misguided. Return to the emotional scale and gently guide yourself back to joy. Stay committed to returning to love, and you can trust that you are.
This lady doesn't care about anyone besides herself. As soon as she indicated, she began to change lanes. Without checking your mirrors first, that would be a crazy thing to do.
fucking
Let me-
idiot.
Ozzy, over there. Squeakers is over there. There, what happened?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Just shit with shape. Wow.
This guy was walking in the middle of the road and shooting fireworks in the sky. From a straight ahead lane to a left turn lane only and back again into a straight ahead lane. This driver is all over the place. In case you encounter drivers like this one, always make sure to keep a safe distance.
Take the Interstate 678 south ramp on the left toward Kennedy Airport.
Lady on her phone. Absolute genius.
That's amazing. That's awesome. Proud of you, Mitchell. Keep your head up. I know it stinks. And I would also say, Mitchell, don't touch that emergency fund. Losing your job is under the level of an Western dream.
The trusted voice of the Valley for more than 100 years. This is the KTAR News Expansion. 15 minutes of commercial-free, non-stop news, traffic, and weather starts.
For Jeff Munn today, it is 12 o'clock. A suspect has been arrested in the Moscow, Idaho college. One of the victims was from Avondale.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one as well. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.